So somebody asked me about doing this particular problem on the homework where you're asked to do a multiple regression. This is kind of a straightforward extension of the simple linear regression. You do it the same way. There's a slightly different selection pattern. So this is the question that has to do with wine, and you've got a sample of 20 wines, and you're supposed to predict the wine quality, um, you know, from 0 to 10 based on two variables, that is the alcohol content and the amount of chlorides. So, the first thing we're going to do is just, click here and pull the data into Excel. Okay, so it's going to download it there. Just go ahead and open it. Okay, so we've got our, this is the dependent variable over here, the quality, and we've got two independent variables. So this is the alcohol content and the chlorides. Okay, so all we have to do is the same as we did in the simple linear case, and just come up to, okay, so data analysis. We'll go ahead and launch this tool pack again, and come over to regression. And so our input Y is just going to be this quality column here. And we note that we're selecting labels. Now in this case, we're going to select both of these variables here. I got to make sure I get all of the columns here. There's kind of a trick here. Okay, so get both the labels and select there. Okay, and I think this time I'm just going to put the output right here so I can have the data. Sorry, it reselected it. Let's try this again. Okay. All right, and I want the output range to be here. Okay, I think that's right. Okay, and so now the way the problem setup has it, they're asking you for the fit equation here, right? So this is going to be the intercept. This, this constant term, this first one here, that's not multiplied by any of the independent variables. And it tells you in the problem setup that x1 sub I represents the alcohol content. So that means, so this is our intercept right here. And this is our alcohol content, but they're calling this x1 in the problem setup. So this is going to be x2, okay? And so they're looking for two decimal places here. So let me just go ahead and quickly set those up like that. Okay, so now I just need to put those answers in there. So my fit equation is going to be the intercept, which in this case is negative 10.13, plus the coefficient on the x1 variable, which is here 1.41, plus, times the x1 variable, plus 12.51 times this chlorides variable, or x2 as it's called in the problem setup. Okay, and we'll check that. Okay, and so now the rest of these, the only difference with the multiple regression case in interpreting these, what these coefficients represent, you just have to add this idea that the quality is going to increase by 1.41 for 1 unit increase in this x1 variable, or the alcohol content, while holding x2 constant. Okay, so this, in the multiple regression case, we just have to hold the other variable constant, and this will represent the increase in quality that comes with an increase in the alcohol content. Okay, all right, so good luck